worst week for DXY in recent times. You can see a sharp crash, and in fact it has breached below 100 levels and has gone close to 99. In each of our analysis since last multiple weeks, we have been discussing that DXY has a probability to achieve 98 and 95 levels. You can see this is the bottom here, and this is also the bottom of the channel. It has achieved the top. It may try to attempt and achieve the bottom of this channel. Precisely, it has marched till towards those levels. Now, what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with the crash, or we can see a bounce back? Which position you should take in order to profit trading dollar index? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch till the end. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily updates on major global markets and commodities. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts here. First, see the drop here, retracement, then the drop, triple bottom here, retracement, lower highs, and this time it has given a sharp crash, breaching past the support levels and has gone close to its next support zone. Now this is the support zone here at 98. Yes, it has a probability for it to continue with the downward move. However, it has got oversold a little. We will see with the help of indicators. Now look at this here. See, first of all, 100.5, 100.6 was the first support here. Very strong support which it has breached. Now it is traded below the critical number of 100. 100 is definitely a critical number for dollar index. Not only technically but also psychologically, 100 is a critical number here. And as we have discussed, see, this was the consolidation. From that the rally started, and this is the previous consolidation here. So if it continues on the downside, stays below 99 and then achieves 98 levels, which is going to be the very strong support here, probably we may see a bounce back in dollar index because it is getting oversold. Now second observation is, look at this double top here, flat bottom and a breakout. Now see, this is the first breakout candle here. Also, if you draw the parallel here, you will find this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Hence 98 levels are a great support for dollar index on the downside. On this channel also 98 is a great support, and otherwise also 98 is a great support. So I will observe definitely if it continues with the drop how it behaves at around 98 levels, and probably from there it could try to retrace a little, but now it is going to stay lower for a little while. Any break above 100.6 and then 102 levels is what I will look forward to. That should be treated as a reversal. Now coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, 4 straight red candles and a bounce back candle or a recovery candle, minor recovery candle on the last trading session. Also, if you look at it, it has, because see, this candle started with a flat bottom here. Now flat bottom indicates that it could retrace, but the complete engulfing of this movement for next couple of days might remain till 100.6 at max, and in fact even if it tries to rise till 100.6 it can march further. However, I will look forward to 101.4 and 101.8, 102 zone at best. Even if it tries to retrace, now 102 definitely is going to remain a distant you can say achievement for dollar index, which probably it may not try to, or it may not try to break in the recent future. It could try to retrace, however the retracement is only limited till towards 100.5, 100.6 levels or 101 levels at best, and beyond that also it could continue. However, a complete or a breakout is what I will look forward to, is above 102 level. This is on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, we have seen since last 15 years dollar index is trading in this channel. It has achieved the highs, it has achieved the lows here, and now it is again started to march on the downside towards the bottom of this. Now if you look at the complete movement, it appears it has achieved the bottom of this channel for the month of July. And if you look at the pattern for last few months, you can see couple of red candles, one green candle, couple of red candles, one green candle, couple of red candles. So probably it has achieved the bottom. The next candle might continue on the upside, or the next candle is what I will wait for. If it gives a breakout, certainly more bearishness, because see the bottom is little far away. For the channel, the bottom is at around 95 levels, and probably if it's not going to achieve this month, but yes, I will definitely watch out for next candle. For this month it appears that the lows are done and it could try to remain within a range now, and don't and it will not break past by 102. That is my expectation. So whatever the move it is going to take is now going to limit within itself within this zone. At best it can try to achieve 98 and then bounce back from there. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? If you look at indicators on the monthly chart, you can see dollar index is trading below. On the indicators part, you can see it is trading below the 20 months moving average now, which is now lying at around 102. 102 becomes a critical level for dollar index now. At the same time, the 50-month moving average is now situated at around 99 levels, which is definitely a greater support. If you look at the monthly stochastic, this has dropped sharply. It has recovered now again, trying to look downwards. May go oversold soon. See, it stayed overbought for a month. Now it is willing to stay oversold. Now look at MACD. Why it is dropping? See the MACD, monthly MACD divergent, bearish, looking downwards. You can see this is happening after a strong long journey for almost more than a year, and now it is looking downwards. It probably tries to approach at least till here, and then from that there a bounce back, and hence next few months are going to remain critical for the dollar index. RSI is also approaching downside. Coming to the weekly chart, on the weekly chart, see the crossover here between the 20 and 50 period moving average is important. It is trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign. Also now it is trading below the 100 weeks average. It is trading below the Ichimoku lines, and this is a bearish sign here. But the most important point is it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence may get a pullback or may remain sideways for a little while before it continues its downward move. So what it may try to do, it may try to push it a little downside so that the Bollinger Bands can expect and expand, and then a bounce back, which means yes, 99, 98 levels definitely should come out to be a greater support for dollar index in the coming few days. Stochastic dropping till towards the oversold levels. Now look at MACD. This is crossing over and trading with divergence, looking downwards here. Now the point to note here is, see, it has seen a sharp drop here. It is again looking downwards. It does not have a much of downside. So this indicates that even if it continues its downward journey from here, first thing is we may see more or less sideways movement with a little bearish bias from now onwards, where we can expect at best 98, and then till towards even 97.5 levels it tries to drop. From there it will try to station itself like this, and then this rise will come. So it is going to take multiple weeks from now for it to recover completely. Yes, there will be, or there should be, a recovery on the weekly charts. However, on the monthly charts it is still not much of downside, but be careful. Right now it is trading with a bearish bias. I think that the lows for the month are achieved. Possibly it may try to station or limit itself within this zone itself. RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish here. Now coming to the daily, on the daily charts, now see the moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence, entering into a bearish territory here. Now this also makes 102 a greater critical resistance level, and hence we will wait only and only if the dollar index breaks past by 102 levels in the coming few trading sessions. Then you can say that it is trying to reverse. Else what will happen? It will keep on diverging. The moving averages will keep on diverging. It will continue its movement here at these levels, or maybe a little retracement and the downward journey. That is what it will try to do. Let the moving average come down. But at the same time, one must note that the moving averages will come down, the price to retrace up, and that is how it is going to trade. So more or less we may see retracement, but it is going to be a retracement, not a reversal, till the time it stays below 102, and also it can try to continue with the bearish bias for a little while. Yes, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. We may see a little pullback on the upside. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. It must try to pull back a little up. RSI is oversold. So yes, on the daily charts it shines or shows that possibly we may see a little pullback, but however it will not try to breach past 102. This is the verdict. And now let me give you the levels you should watch out for and the levels you should trade for. Let's start. And before I give you the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship. 24th batch starts on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Only limited seats are available, and it is purely on the first come first serve basis. So register yourself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Also, if you want to trade major global markets and commodities, you can join my signals group. Now, where to buy? See, I will recommend you to buy here at 99.8 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 100.2. And if it stays above 100.2, one can look forward 10053 levels or 100.53 levels. And if it stays above this, then at best we can look forward to 100 1. Now this is going to be a major milestone, first milestone for dollar index towards 101. I think it is going to take a little more time for it to recover till towards those levels. It is now going to really be difficult for dollar index to continue or give such a sharp movement on the upside, possibly, or even if it tries to look upwards, we can see it getting resistance on the very strong resistance on the upside. Beyond 101, one can look forward to 101.38, then 101.62, and then 102 levels. Now this is going to be a major milestone. If it breaks past by, sky is the limit. 103 I will look forward to breaking, beyond which this should be treated as a complete reversal. I don't see that for the month of July now it is going to break past by 103 levels or 102 also. It is going to remain very difficult for dollar index. On the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 99.2 levels. Below that, 99, extremely good support here, and if it breaks below 99, then you can say that further bearishness is going to prevail. 98.72, then 98.45, and then 98. This is going to remain critical for dollar index here at 98. This is going to definitely be a greater support. In fact, 97.73, the next support. If it, I think this should not be breached in any case, because below this there is very strong bearishness still towards 96 and 95 levels. I don't see it breaking this level in the month of July at least. Possibly it could try to trade sideways or retrace a little, and hence you should take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on any of my services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.